Guys, yesterday I'm at work on my lunch in my car, but I just seen something on X, so I decided to come over here and film real quick. Okay, yesterday, pretty sure it was yesterday and day before yesterday, this place was packed with our birds. Our Walmart birds are always here. Where are our birds? Not one stinking bird. Them fuckers are always around. Where are the birds? Where's the birds? We got pigeons and birds always here. They're gone. I see I was chunk bread or whatever I'm eating out the window, what I don't finish. Where are the birds? You know Walmart's. It's always full of birds. And they're always hungry, always thirsty. Half of them stay out here and freaking die because they don't know go get water anywhere. Especially in the hot summer. Where are the birds? Where are the birds? People are saying that insects and everything, they're not hearing the insects they're seeing, but I just see a dragonfly flying there. Where are the birds? Oh my God, I'm kind of like tripping. I am tripping because they're not even on the Walmart roof. And you know what? Nobody's even noticing. I didn't either until I just got reminded because I was on X and I was watching all people's posts and somebody just said not even an insect they're hearing. Okay, hang on. Oh my God. Okay, I hear there's the woods over there. I do hear some loud, I think, insect noise. You know, crickets at night, whatever. Sun's going down. Oh, I just noticed this. Look at that big old 5 fucking G tower over there. Motherfucker, I didn't even know that was there. Sorry about my French. But what the hey? And all those evil damn wire post. That's back. See the sun. What the heck? Yeah, I think I hear the cricket sign. I just seen another dragonfly. Well, we call them mosquito hawks. Mosquito hawks here in Louisiana. Oh, there's another one. Okay, a bunch of dragonflies. I know a lot of people call them dragonflies. So you know them by dragonflies. We call them mosquito hawks. Where are the birds? Where'd they go? No, man. This is really strange. Oh, damn, something strong. What the hell? The birds are always under the cars, on the side of the cars, looking for crumbs. And nobody's, ooh, what is that? I'm sorry, guys, but look, they're not even on the lines. They be on the lines and on the roof over there, on the edges. The Walmart birds are gone. The Walmart birds and pigeons. What's up with that? What did y'all turn off to chase them off? What did y'all turn on to chase them off? Anybody got a clue? Please let me know. Oh my goodness.